Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Breville. Just came in with low pressure, ended up having a little elbow fitting that was leaking, so we replaced the fitting and we're going to do a nice little test. My table might not be super even for the flow, but nice shot with some crema there. Let's try the steam. Here we go. Nice and fast. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.